So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and the coolant temperature gauge, and beneath which it will show you what gear this car is in. We're in park at the moment, as you can see. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer currently being displayed and the total miles for this car, which is 17,836. You can change the information displayed in that section by using buttons on the steering wheel. For example, we have a trip computer, vehicle settings, your phone, audio menu, navigation as well, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here, along with stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left with cruise control and speed limiter. And then over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. This is where, amongst other things, you can access your satellite navigation. It's also where you can connect your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found. Just
follow those instructions on screen from there. Of course, you can listen to your music as well. So there's a few ways in which you can listen to that. We have AM, FM, and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio as well. And this car's got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo, we then have climate control. So you can adjust the temperature over on the right-hand side, the fan speed on the left. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in with these buttons just here. And then when you're happy, that button turns your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. And if you hit auto, the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain that temperature for you. You can override that at any time you wish to by making any manual adjustment and put it back on your own settings. With a heated rear screen, a proper heated front screen as well, 12-volt charging socket and the USB input, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.